Good morning this Friday, the 9th of December. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, Wall Street felt some relief on Thursday after new weekly jobless claims in the US ticked higher to 230,000 from 226,000 the week prior, in a sign the Fed's aggressive interest rate hikes are beginning to have an impact on the nation's tight labour market. The slight uptick in jobless claims underpinned a rally on Thursday that saw the Dow Jones add 0.3%, the S&P 500 lift 0.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq added 0.9%. Despite the slight relief rally, investors remain focused on the Fed's FOMC meeting next week, where it is expected another 50 basis point rate hike will be announced. Over in Europe, markets closed mostly lower again as investor fears over a global recession continue to dominate sentiment across the markets in the region. Germany's DAX added just 0.02%, while the French CAC fell 0.14%, and the UK's FTSE 100 lost 0.23%. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open 0.31% higher, buoyed by that rally on Wall Street overnight. On the commodities front, crude oil continues its decline, trading 0.7% lower at $71.51 a barrel. Coal is trading almost 1% lower at $405 a tonne. Gold is up 0.11% at $1,788 an ounce, and iron ore is down 1.83% at $107.5 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened by 67.73 US cents, 92.58 Japanese yen, 55.33 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 6 cents. Taking a look at economic data out today, China's inflation rate data for November is released around midday Australian Eastern Daylight Time, with the market expecting a decline to 1.6% from 2.1% in October. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Friday. Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Viva Energy Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 157 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $2.66 to the range of $1.95 to $2.10, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Trading Central has also identified a bearish signal on Bravura Solutions following the formation of a pattern over a period of 23 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of 78 cents to the range of 40 cents to 48 cents, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Friday and happy investing.